Do you know that Mac allows you to preview files by using the spacebar? And it just appears instantly without opening the file. So on Windows, you can also do that by installing a new software called Quick Look. So by installing a Quick Look, you can just preview folders and files using the spacebar. So what you're gonna to do is go to the Microsoft Store, and now go to the search bar and search for Quick Look. Okay, click on the app. Okay, so now the app is developed in Mako, so click the get button to download it. Okay, scroll down and you can see the description that you can just preview it by using a spacebar. Okay, so now it's downloaded and just click open. And now just close the Microsoft Store. So you can see on my desktop there are a bunch of files here, so let's just preview it. Press the spacebar, and unfortunately it doesn't work with the Word document, so press the spacebar on the video file and it just previews the video file, and also works with PDF. Okay, and photos, you can just press the spacebar and the photos just appear. So although on the Windows side it doesn't have many benefits feature or the best features on the Mac, but you can compare it when you open it using the Photos app. It takes much longer, and you can just spacebar and it just appear instantly. So it's a good thing to have on Windows. So I hope today you learned something new about Quick Look and how can you do it on the Windows side. And I hope this video helps you, and give me a subscribe and a like, and I will be very appreciated. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I will try my best to help you, and thank you and bye.